Hey kiddos, welcome to sFUNTV, where we learn, play and explore. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Let's find out. Oh, I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? This is a cow. Cow. I see another silhouette there. This is a bull. A bull. Let's see, what animal is this? This is a dog. A dog. Can you tell what animal is this? This is a cat. Cat. Let's see, what is this? Pig. Pig. Oh, what's this? This is a goat. A goat. This is a sheep. Sheep. That's right. This is a horse. A horse. Can you tell what animal is this? Camel. Camel. Can you guess what animal is this? Rabbit. A rabbit. Can you guess this animal? Ferret. Ferret. Guess this one? Llama. Llama. Oh, figure out this? Yak. Yak. Can you guess what is it? Donkey. Donkey. Can you guess what is it? A rooster. Rooster. Find out this one. A hen. Hen. Guess this? Turkey. Turkey. I see a silhouette over there. This is a guinea pig. Guinea pig. Find out this. Hamster. Hamster. Can you guess this one? Emu. Emu. Can you find this one? Parrot. Parrot. Can you guess this? Duck. Duck. Can you find out this one? Goose. Goose. Bye bye. See you in next video. Till then, take care.